Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are commencing from 12th of November 2020. For that, you have to prepare the things hard. You have to put extra effort so that you can crack the examination with ease. Dear students, you did not remain physically in schools because of COVID-19 pandemic, and you remained virtually connected to your teachers. And virtual mode can't be the actual mode for teaching, but to some extent, this mode finally facilitated you, or greater extent, we may say. But some unfortunate lot of the students was there, or we can say is there, who are not in possession of these Android phones, and finally they were badly hit. But there is a way for them to crack these examinations with ease. They must see the things on the available reference books of political science and memorize the notes for cracking the exam first. Dear students, today we are dealing with very important topic in your political science, that is the secularism. Dear students, finally the secularism and socialism was added to the preamble of Indian Constitution in 1976 when 42nd Amendment came in. Remember, secularism and socialism was added to the Indian Constitution in 1976 when 42nd Constitutional Amendment came in. Secularism has two perspectives. One perspective is the Western perspective, another is the Indian perspective. In Western perspective, religious is diverse from the politics. Remember, in Western politics, religious is diverse from politicus, as they think the religious is the individual matter and politicus has nothing to do with the religion. In Indian context, here is something different. India is a multi-religious country, and we can say now we called sometimes India is a secular state, and secular state means where there are the plenty of religions, and each religion have religious freedom, and every person is to free to practice and propagate his own religion. So you have to keep in the mind in the Indian context of secularism. Secularism in India means there is no state religion at all, and there is no funding for any particular religion from the state. So the secularism is to protect the interest of all, because India being the multi-religious country and every person is free to practice and propagate his own religion. This is the Indian perspective of the secularism. And we have been given right to religious freedom from Article 25 to 28, where it's clearly mentioned that the state should maintain the neutrality in terms of religion. So the secularism, it promotes the communal harmony here, or we can say it promotes the interests of all. It promotes that every person is free to practice and propagate his own religion. That means a Muslim is free to go into mosque and pray 5 times a day and even can preach his religion or propagate his religion. Simply a Sikh can go to the Gurdwara and a Hindu can go to the temple and practice his or her own religion. So the state has to maintain the religious neutrality in. It is well mentioned in the right to religious freedom from Article 25 to 28. So you have to keep in the mind that preamble of the Indian Constitution was first time amended in 1976 when 42nd Amendment came in and secularism and socialism was added to the Indian Constitution. However, this amendment is called mini constitution. So Indian perspective of the secularism is that India is a multi-religious country and every person is free to practice and propagate his own religion, and there would be no funding for a particular uh, religion from the state, and state must maintain neutrality in terms of the religion matters. Well, dear students, this is the concept of the secularism. Remember, there are two perspectives of the secularism. One is the Indian perspective, another is the Western perspective. In Western perspective, there is clear cut things that secularism, there is that religion and politics are two different things, and the religion should be diverse from the politics, and it is the individual matter of a person, and it belongs to individuality, and whatever a person likes, he is free to do that. In Indian perspective, India being the multi-religious country, here the plenty of religions that the Hinduism being the dominant, followed by the Muslims, Christians, Buddhists. So in order to promote this communal harmony, every religion is here, every person is free to practice and propagate his own religion, so that there is no state religion, and no religion is getting funding from state to practice to propagate, or we can say to go ahead smoothly. And we have been given the religious freedom from 25 article 25 to 28, where we have to maintain the, where the state has to maintain the religious neutrality. Now it is Kashmiri secularism is concept a western concept bia Indian concept. Western concept mas at im matlab कि युस से religion आसान छ मजहब छ आसान छ यह सा छ एकस शख्सस पनुन मतलब तश ये पनुन अख तरीक सह कित करन पक यह पनुन तस अख कंसेप्ट सह कित करन पक मजहबस पे युस हसा पॉलिटिक्स यानी मुल्क पॉलिटिक्स अगर वेस्ट वो गसान तथ रिलीजन सह दुयमिन लफ्जन मज गो रिलीजनस छीन कह ताल्लुक पॉलिटिक्स सत तवे वोनमुत कि रिलीजन शुड बी डाइवर्सड फ्रॉम द पॉलिटिक्स यह हसा इंडिविजुअल मैटर यह हसा इनफरादी अख चाहत अकिस इंसान सह कोकुन गस सह कत मजहबस पे पाक स्टेट्स अत मज कहीं कर दोयम इंडियन परस्पेक्टिव इंडियन परस्पेक्टिव मज इंडिया मल्टी रिलीजियस कंट्री मल्टी रिलीजियस कंट्रीस मज इतकन कि वारिया मजहबिक लूक बसान प्रथ कह फ्री पन्नस मजहबस पे पकन खतर एंड दिस वाज एडेड टू द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यह गो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रेम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज फर्स्ट टाइम्स amended in 1976 through 42nd constitutional amendment यानी प्रेम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गो गडनिक फिर एमेंड 1976 मज ये 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट आ तथ मज सिक्यूरलिज्म तो सोशलिज्म एड कर छोटिस मज वन बह गो सिक्यूरलिज्म इंडिया मज ये कि ये मजहब प्रथ कंस इंसान मजहबी आज़ादी आर्टिकल 50 पे 28 तान मजहबी आज़ादी तथ मज साफ पे लिखित ये कि स्टेटस पज मेंटेन करें न्यूट्रलिटी गो नौकुन नौकुन प्रथ कह इंसान मजहबी आज़ादी सिख हसा गुरुद्वारस मज गि इबादत कर हिंदू गि टेम्पलस मज इथे कन मुसलमान गि मस्जिद मज नमाज पढ़ सह हसा प्रैक्टिस तो प्रोपरागेट पन रिलीजन कर तो स्टेट्स हसा पज न्यूट्रलिटी मेंटेन कर स्टेट्स पज कह खास रिलीजन प्रमोट कर यह क्या सिक्यूरलिज्म कंसेप्ट इन टू डिफरेंट परस्पेक्टिव्स गो इंडियन परस्पेक्टिव ब्या गो वेस्टर्न परस्पेक्टिव छोटिस मज दाव कि सिक्यूलर वन तस पन्नस मजहबस पे तो पक बीस सस मजहबस तो कर मतलब रेस्पेक्ट इंडिया वन कि इंडिया इज ए सिक्यूलर स्टेट हियर एवरीबडी इज फ्री टू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोपरागेट इज ओन रिलीजन हिंदू इज फ्री मुस्लिम इज फ्री बौद्ध इज फ्री टू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोपरागेट इज ओन रिलीजन मगर वेस्टर्न परस्पेक्टिव तत मजहब तो पॉलिटिक्स ज अलग अलग डोमेन मजहब तत पॉलिटिक्स सत Dear students, this is all about the secularism in short. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can forward your query to me, and when you forward your query to me within short time, it would be answered. Do work hard. My prayers are with you, and you will get the mega success in the coming examinations. Thanks. Be balanced.